Have you ever wished you could turn a product page into a complete video ad instantly? No filming, no editing, no voiceover, no designer, just one link, one click, and done.
You're all fired! I'm not paying for your work!
Meet the new standard of practical tools.
I love my smart shovel.
Smart shovel is insanely durable.
Heart rate sensor keeps me from overdoing it.
Well, today, that actually exists. In this video, we're diving into Higgsfield Click-to-Ad, the world's first one-click AI ad generator that transforms any product URL into a fully edited 9:16 social video with AI avatars, pro voiceovers, your brand colors, and synced captions. And yes, it does all of this in minutes, not days. You paste a product link, just the URL, and in minutes, you get a fully produced 9:16 video ad with AI avatars, natural voiceovers, synced captions, brand colors, professional scene layouts, all automatically. This is the first tool I've seen that completely removes the entire manual workflow between I need an ad and my ad is ready. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, live. Higgsfield Click-to-Ad is a one-click ad generator that transforms a product URL into a finished video ad. Here's what makes it special. It scans your product page like a creative director, extracts up to 8 images, pulls your brand colors plus logo, reads product descriptions, chooses layout styles, adds AI avatars with real voice delivery, generates perfectly synced captions, and outputs a full social-ready 9:16 video. Everything is automated. No Photoshop, no Premiere Pro, no voice actors, no templates to build manually. Just paste link, generate ad. What's new with Click-to-Ad? Higgsfield just rolled out a massive update. And here's what's new. Intelligent product page scanning. Not just scraping images. It actually understands your entire product page like a creative director, extracting names, descriptions, colors, and your logo. High-performing ad templates. Clean, dynamic, minimal, brand-focused, all optimized for conversions on TikTok, IG, and Shorts. AI avatar integration. Add a virtual spokesperson instantly. No actors, no filming, no audio setup. Just pick an avatar and the AI delivers the message with perfect lip sync. Automatic brand styling. Your brand colors are pulled directly from your website and applied throughout the video automatically. 5 manual fine-tuning. Want control? Replace images, rewrite copy, update colors, upload your own logo. Everything is customizable before export. Perfect for social media managers posting daily content, e-commerce brands launching new products, small businesses without video budgets, dropshippers and Amazon resellers needing fast ads. How it works. Paste your product URL. Here we are inside Higgsfield's Click-to-Ad page. I'll paste a product URL right here. Instantly, Higgsfield starts scanning the entire page. Watch this. It extracts up to 8 relevant product images, pulls the title and description, detects brand colors and logo, creates a visual asset library automatically. It's like the AI went through the page and collected everything needed for a perfect ad, without me uploading anything manually. Choose a template. Next, I pick from 10 high-performing ad templates. These aren't generic layouts. These are industry-tested formats used by high-converting campaigns. Minimal, bold, dynamic storytelling, choose what fits your brand. Generate the ad. Now the magic moment. Click Generate Video. You'll see Higgsfield assembling every asset, images, scenes, brand colors, text, avatars, voiceover, captions. Rendering takes about a minute. And just like that, the final ad is ready. This one came out to super sharp visuals.
These lightweight, breathable training shorts wick sweat and make every run easier.
Great pacing, and the audio sounds professionally mixed. And again, This was created using one product URL, exporting your video. Once you're happy with the ad, export as 9:16 vertical video. Captions are burned in, ready for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Literally drag and drop into your scheduler. Higgsfield Click-to-Ad is the first tool that bridges the gap between a static product page and a complete social-ready video ad. No scripts, no filming, no editors, no creative teams, just automation that works. Any product page can become a video ad in minutes. If you want to try it yourself, link in description. If you're a creator, marketer, e-commerce brand, or agency looking to save time and produce scroll-stopping ads, this tool is a total game changer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and marketing tips. I'd love to hear how you would use Click-to-Ad for your brand. Drop your thoughts below. See you in the next video.